What's good, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Rumbi. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do the right thing and click the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Okay, I do a lot of lifestyle vlogs, beauty and fashion hauls, so if you're interested in that, please do check out my channel. And I also do a lot of plugs. I'm all about plugging you guys on some cute things, so if you're interested in that, please do check me out. I would really appreciate it. So without wasting any more time, let's get to today's video. I'd just like to thank Shoeki for sending me these cute sandals. I've been wanting these sandals for quite long. I remember a fellow YouTuber did a video about them maybe like a few months ago, and I was just obsessed with them. I like them so much, but because they're so expensive, I just couldn't get them. But thanks to Shoeki, I managed to get my hands on them. So Shoeki is a China-based company. They sell designer replica shoes. So any designer shoe that you want, Shoeki is your plug. Okay, so let's get to the video. I'm so excited to show you guys. Shoes come in this box. Stunning, right? Love it. Love this box. It comes in this box, and then when you open the box, I don't know if you guys can see me actually. This is what you find when you open the box. So you have your Gucci dust bag, sort of. Yes, I don't think the shoes will fit in here honestly, but yeah. And then it comes wrapped cute in such a nice way. And then okay, you have your Gucci, I don't know what this is, but yeah, it's just like a tag sort of. It just says Gucci here in the front, made in Italy, and then also Gucci at the back. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys the shoes. These are the Gucci platform sandals. Okay, why am I putting them like that? It's supposed to be like this. Wow. So those are the slides. I am obsessed. One word, obsessed. I have honestly really always wanted these shoes, and this was such a great opportunity for me to get them. So this is how they look at the back. They have the Gucci sign, and I really love the detail. There's not really much going on, but it just speaks volume, you know. When you just walk in, they're like, oh my god, who's that girl? I'm all about that energy, you know. So this is the sandal. This is a size 39, but I do wish I got a 38 though, because this is a bit big. I can wear them, but they're slightly big. So if you're a size 5, UK size 5, I suggest that you get size 38. But nonetheless, 39, I think 39 is 5.5, which is really not bad. But I like my shoes like small and cute, you know. But these are also so cute. I can't wait to rock them, you know. These are giving like safari, long weekend away, brunch with the girls. Yes, this is what this shoe is giving. Honestly, I love her, and I just love the platform. And yeah, I think one thing that makes them look big is because of this platform as well, but the actual size is fine, but the platform just makes them look big. But it's fine, man. I'm just gonna rock them. And yeah, this is how the shoe looks like. Can you just get a moment for the shoe without me in the picture? There you go. I love his shoes. Yeah, enough. Yeah, so if you're looking to get yourself a pair, I'm gonna leave everything about Shoeki down below, from their Instagram handle, their website, their WhatsApp number, and also
and of course, I have a discount code for you guys, so you can use the code Rumbi for 15% off for any purchase. That's Rumbi for 15% off.
Number, and also you can check out their customer reviews if you're really like not sure, but you can check out their customer reviews just to get, you know, an insight of people's experience with them. But I am just in love with their quality. It's amazing. I can never afford going to to the actual Gucci store, but with companies like Shoeki, we can all look good and look luxurious. So yeah guys, there's the shoe, size 39. I think size 39 would be great for someone who wears UK 6, but I'm a UK 5, so next time I'm gonna be getting a size 38. Okay, we've come to the end of the video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. I'm all about plugging you guys, you know, plugging you guys with all the cute things that don't need you to, you know, to stretch your budget. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on my next video.